Hello folks, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a FivePD server. Because the reason why I'm making this video today is because my server actually messed up. I don't know why it did. So that's why today I'm going to redo my server and recreate my server and show you guys how to create a FivePD server. Let's get into it. So what you do first is go to your desktop, right? This is right here, and go to this PC. Just go to your desktop and go to this PC right here. Go to your local disk and create a new folder in here called FivePD server, or you can name it anything you want, but I'm gonna name it that. And then you go into this file and then make a new file called server. Now we're gonna go into this file and I'm gonna go on to a browser. And we're going to search Windows Artifacts. We're going to go to this website here. I'm going to drop the link to this website in the description of this video. So go to runtime.fivem.net. Right there, runtime.fivem.net, and then download the latest recommended. Click that. You'll see that's installing there, and then drag that to your desktop, and it'll just be right there. Open that up with 7-zip, WinZip, WinRAR, anything you have to open it up, because it's a zip file. And you want to copy every single thing in this file and drag it into the server file that we created. Like that. So now that's done. We have all this in here. Want to get out of this, just click this right here, the arrow. And then you want to create a server data folder in this right here, in this shortcut. In this pathway, you want to create a server data folder. So click new folder and then name it server data, like that. And then you want to do this. You want to just that and have it be right here. And then so what you need to make a server is GitHub. You need GitHub for this, so I will also drop a link to here. I'll actually go to, so it's GitHub. You want to, oh no, hang on, why am I on that? No, GitHub, like this here. And you want to go to this website here, and then I believe I thought they actually gave you like a link for this. Well, they do. I don't know why it's not. GitHub desktop. There we go. I think it's this. I'm not sure though. Wait, is it this? No. Wait. Why? Wait. Hang on. GitHub download. I don't exactly right know here, because if I go to my downloads, I believe it would be there. You want to get Git. I think it's called Git. Yeah, you want to go right here, and then click Downloads, and then click Windows, and then click whatever this one is, 32 64, third, like any of these here. Sorry, guys. And then after that's installed, you want to do that, and then click Get Bash here on the server data folder. This Get Bash here. Now what we're gonna do is go to the FiveM docs and go to setting up a vanilla FX server. And we want to go down into where it goes for right here. You want to copy, I believe it would be, I think it, or it shows in TXadmin. I think it shows in the TXadmin. It's right here. You want to copy this right here from get clone to all the way down. Copy that and paste it into what this is. Paste. And it's cloning the server data. That's done. You can close out of that. You see how there's resources, ignore all of this stuff? If you don't see all of this, I'll show you how you can see all of it. Click View, and then make sure File Name Extensions and Hidden Items are checked. Make sure these two are checked. Then you can see all those files. So now what you want to do is create a server.cfg. So click New, Text Document, Server.cfg. And yes, it will come up with this. Just click yes. And then go into that, edit with Notepad++. If you, I recommend you use this, because then go to your desktop, search Notepad++, go to this website, and download this here. Download the version 8.5, and then it should automatically download it. It should be fine there. Now, edit with Notepad++, or Notepad, either one you want to use. Go to back to the docs on FiveM, back to the FiveM docs. Go to vanilla server. And you see all of this here? You want to copy all of this down just like that. Just copy that. You want to copy all of what is copied right here. What's all highlighted, you want to copy all that. Copy this, and then put it into your server CFG. Paste it in. And now, I'm actually going to put the name of the server here. I'm going to just put all my settings. And then, like, for the tags, you can do, like, 5PD. You can do, like, roleplay. And yeah, just all this stuff pretty much there. You can do like quite a few, I think, for tags. I'm not sure how many like it lets you do. I think you can do quite a few though. Here's a script hook right here. If you want to allow script hook mods and plugins, then you can put one in this here. But I'm not gonna do that though. If you want to, you can do it, but I'm not going to for my server. But see your server host name, put it as whatever your server name is. So I'm gonna put mine as Pine Tree State 5PD. And a little tip, just copy all of this of what you did there, copy that, and then paste it on the server project name. Paste it right there. And now that's a quicker way of putting your name in all the spots you need to. And you can do a description, like this, that, there. Or you can do a description for the server, like I'll do welcome to Pine Tree State FivePD. I'll do that there. That looks good there. A license key. Let's go to that. Well, let's do your license key. So for your license key, you want to go to a website called keymaster.fivem.net. I'll actually show you that right now. So I'm actually gonna put this on my second screen. I do not want you guys to see my IP. So I'm going to go to Keymaster. I'll just tell you guys what to do on the website without showing my IP. So you want to go to the website keymaster.fivem.net. I'm actually gonna delete the other key I have for this. Click register new server. And then put in your name for the server, the display name, and then put in your IP address. I promise it's not dangerous. Putting in your actual IP address is not dangerous. I've used this website for a very, very long time, and it is not dangerous. Trust me. So you put your IP there, and then put server type, put home hosted. Or if you gotta do a dedicated server, to put dedicated server or whatever. But put home hosted for the purpose of this video. I'm gonna do that. And then put what server provider, and then just put home hosted in that section. Type yes, I'm not a robot. What the frick? I'm not a robot, man. Come on now. And then click generate. And then the key it gave you, and then copy. Copy on that key. And then paste it where this is. Paste it where it says change me. Just highlight change me and click Control V. And now you have the key for it. Now to save that, close out of your CFG file. We're gonna close out of here. Wait, I'm actually gonna show you how to do something here. I have a little tip on how to actually open your server. So what you do, you go back to here, go to where this is, go back to server, and then scroll down, and so you see fxserver.exe. Do this, click that until you get to this. Send to create desktop shortcut, and move that wherever you want to move it. I'm gonna move it let's say I'm gonna move it right there. Or I can put it on my stream deck too. I mean, I can do that as well. I might do that for my server too. I probably will. But after you do that, you can close out of your file. You want to get a new browser open in your browser. Like a complete new browser. Like there's a clean browser. But first, before we do FivePD, because I'm going to show you guys how to add FivePD to your server. So, you want to click the shortcut, just double click your shortcut. It's going to open this up. It's going to open all of that up. It's going to say txadmin is outdated, but that's fine. I mean, I play with a server outdated, all that stuff, and then it's fine. It's not, an issue. So, right here where it says link account, you want to click link your account. You want to click that. And my name is Trials4L. Do that. And I'm gonna make the password Okay, after you got your password in there, you want to click, yes, I have read the agree to the license, all this, yes, click that, and then create master account. Now what you want to do is put this in here to change me, and then put in your server name. Mine's gotta be Pine Tree State 5 PD. Click next. Click the top one, CFX default. Save this. Go to the deployer. Click next, and you want your license key. So I'm going to actually grab my license key real quick. You want to go back to Keymaster. Go to Keymaster, click on your key, copy it. Here, how you guys get to your key? Is you just click this right here, and then you click copy on like when it says copy. So you want to copy your key and put it in here. Control V. Run recipe is what you want to do, and then it's got to run the server and open the file server.cfg for this. It created us a server CFG already. It just created us a new CFG file. Because that's good, because it actually creates us files that we actually need to use. But a little tip, highlight both of these files, and then click Send To, create a shortcut for both of these. So drag this up there, and then your resources folder, where's my resources? There we go. And then drag that up there. Now you have a full shortcut to get to both of your files. Now, what I'm going to do is close out of the server because the server is open. We're good. I'm going to close out of the server and show you guys how to get FivePD for the server. I'm going to show you guys how to get FivePD for your server. If you got into this step, good. If you haven't gotten to this step yet, like if you've not ready to do FivePD yet, you can skip. You can go back in the video and watch it over again, or you can rewind the video a little bit to watch what part you missed, because maybe you missed a part. If you did, then you can watch that part again and do that step again if you want to, but it seems that you are good. If you are good, then we're going to do FivePD. So go to your browser, get a new clean browser, search FivePD, just like that, FivePD, and it should pop right up. Yep, and just scroll down and see that's 5mmods.net. Oh, what happened there? What the heck did I do? Alright, 5mmods.net. Click that. And click download latest version. And it's got to download FivePD for you right there. Drag that to your desktop. My Steam. Frick. My Steam is saying my friends are playing games. Frick. Okay. Okay, yeah, have that to your desktop right there. Open it up. You see this folder here? That's all we need. I'm gonna just put this in this folder here for the time being here. So I'm actually gonna go into this folder. I have separate folders that say like not in server yet and for the server. So I can be a bit organized. So open this up. And what you want to do is open up the resources folder. Put that down there so you can see it. And then drag the FivePD folder. Here. Yeah, here. Drag this FivePD folder that you see here into your resources folder. And you close out of here. Close out of resources, go to your server CFG, edit with Notepad++, and then make a new line, click enter, and then click, here I'll actually make it full screen so you can see it better. So what you do is make a new line, click enter, and then type ensure FivePD. Like that. Perfect. File, save. Close out of here and open your server and see if it'll work. It should. Open your FX server and everything should go up fine. Hang on. I need to open what now? Please open TXadmin browser. Okay, I need to actually open something on my computer. Okay, so, yeah, TXadmin gives you a browser. So go to the TXadmin website, and you can log in with your server, and you have a live console you can manage it with. So I will go to TXadmin. It wants me to, so fine. It's actually localhost. And then log in with the server, and I'm gonna just, yep, okay, come on now. I already did all this stuff. I already did all of this. Come on now. Okay, I need to put in the key again. I have to put in my key. Okay, if it didn't work for you guys, then do what I'm doing. I'll just put your key into the thing that says, and oh, why did they do a whole entire new thing? Yeah, save and run server, as always. There we go. See, look at that. The server is running now. But I think that it created a whole new resources folder. I think, yeah, it did. Okay, okay, here, highlight both of these here. If it created a new folder for you guys, highlight these, delete those, and get these, and then make a new shortcut for both of these. Because it had to, it made me do all of the steps over again, which is really stupid. But you have this here, this for your live console. You have your resources here. So I need to actually re-add FivePD, so I'll just show you again how to add FivePD. So you want to close out of your server, minus out your browser. I'll wait for this to close out. Go to your file. If you have it organized, then go to where you have it. Go to your resources folder. And then drag the FivePD folder into your resources. Just like so. And how do you get to resources from here? I'm not sure why it says this twice. Hang on just a moment here. Resources. Okay, so I'm gonna just delete the second one because it made 2 for some reason on my computer. But what you click is TX data, CFX default, resources. And then that's how you get to resources. But you don't have to do that because we have your shortcuts right here. So get into resources. Easy. Go to your server CFG and make a new line, and click enter, and ensure FivePD. File, oh, nope, wrong thing. Sorry guys, here, file, save, and then close out of here and open your server. And it'll just take a second to load. Because it has to load a lot of things for this too. It'll just take a couple seconds. See right there, script FivePD. It loaded. FivePD loaded in just fine. And now I'm actually going to add a bonus to the video for you guys. I am going to show you guys how to add cars to your server. I'm going to just do a full 5PD tutorial on how to do scripts, cars, etc. I can show you guys how to do a lot of things, but I think it would be better if I do that in a separate video. Or I can do it in this video. I mean, it's up to you guys if you want me to do this in this video and show you how to add cars and other stuff to the server. If you guys want me to do that, then I can. I mean, I don't mind doing that. I mean, I can if you want me to, but we've only been filming for 25 minutes, so I actually can do that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get cars into your server. So all of this works out here. So you actually want to open FiveM. I have it just on my taskbar right here. Starting FiveM, and it will, yeah, just click this, connects to desktop or whatever that says there. Just connect to that, and it will load into your server. It's loading into the server. There, now we are in our newly created FivePD server. Alright, now let's get out of here. Let's go to game, disconnect, so that's simple. And then close out of FiveM. Close out of your server. And we are going to... Actually, I'm going to actually get... So, I have a lot of these files here. These files are for my old server, for the one that messed up. But, I can just reuse these files. I'm actually going to just drag the ones out that I want to use. And not delete, because I actually do... Actually, well... I actually have the file on Fiverr, because I actually had someone create something for the server for me on Fiverr. So I'm going to just delete all these files so I can redo everything for the server. So just, yep, Control A, delete everything on there. I'm going to go to Fiverr. And I'm going to do this on my second screen, so I can just go to download my thing here. Download this. This you guys do not have to download because, well, because this is my loading screen. This is the loading screen for the server. So, what I'm going to do actually is show you the loading screen because it's actually a pretty damn cool screen. Here, I'll just download the video he sent me because it's a pretty cool thing. Check it out. That is the loading screen for the server. I'm going to just delete this, and I don't need it, because I already have this file here for it. But I'm going to just add this to that. So, I'm going to show you guys how to add cars. So, what you want to do... Here, hang on. I don't know what's happening here. Why can't I do anything? I need to actually close out of my Opera phone so I can actually fix this. Hang on. Here. Yep, open it up in a new browser. and go to LSPDFR, the LSPDFR website. I'll full screen this for you. Go to vehicle models and click here, FiveM ready, click yes, click vehicle type police, or whatever you want to do. I'm gonna do police for the sake of the video. And do EOS and non-EOS, or EOS. If you want to do EOS vehicles, you can. Just click EOS if you want to do EOS vehicles. So, if you guys want to get cars, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So, we're going to add, let's say we're going to add this pack here, this 2013 FPIU Code 3 mini pack. Click download on the file. It's going to download it. It's gonna probably take a second to download because there's a lot of cars in this pack. Because it's a mini pack of FPIU cars. So we're gonna see here for that one. That actually is not gonna take long at all. Nice, dude. Alright. Just drag this to your desktop. Minus this out. Go to your resources. And you want to create a new file in here, in your resources, called, well, create a new directory, but it's a new folder, called cars. Just do capital C, A-R-S, but you want to actually do, add brackets to your thing. So add a closing bracket and a opening bracket to your folder. So it will be all organized. So your cars will go in this file here. So then I'm going to open up the cars file, the file that we downloaded, and open up the file that you made in your resources. I'm going to just make this a bit smaller so it'll be easier for this here. Click on vehicles. So if you guys got the same pack, I will put the pack in the video link. Or well, I can't put it in the link because I'm not verified on YouTube yet for the channel. The channel is not verified for phone number stuff. So I will put it in the link of my channel. How about that? I'll put it in the link of my channel so you guys can click the link of the stuff you need for a server anytime you want if you want to make a server. I'll put it in the link on my channel. So let's do, so right here, 13 FPIU K9. You want to drag both of these folders, highlight both of these folders and drag them right into your cars folder. Just like that. And then close out of the cars, close out of the download, and then just drag it into a folder if you have a folder for this. Go to your CFG file. New line, enter, ensure cars. You want to type it the same way you made the file with brackets, opening bracket, closing bracket, capital C, ARS. The ARS is not capital, only the C is capital. And then click File, Save. But we do need something to actually spawn the vehicles. So we are going to get vMenu into the server. We are going to get vMenu here. So I'm going to close out of this file, go to here, get a new browser, and search vMenu. And then you want to click the first link you see, which is this one here. Download zip. Yeah, click code. Just download zip. Drag that to your desktop. Minus out of here. Open this up. And you see this file here, vMenu. That's what you want to drag into your resources. But there's actually a few things that we need to do in the vmenu config file, because there's actually like a thing you need to do for vmenu before you do anything. But first we're actually gonna add vmenu to the resources here. vmenu, add it to your resources, like so. I actually might do something actually for this here to make it organized. I'm gonna make a new folder, menus, and opening bracket, closing bracket, capital M, E, and US. Make that. Drag vmenu here into menus. If you made a menus folder, you want to go into this vmenu folder. I believe. Wait. Why doesn't this have a server? Wait, actually, doesn't this have a permission CFG inside of it? Because it always has permission CFG inside of the. Oh, hang on, guys. I think I actually did something wrong. That's my bad here. Right, that's my mistake. I think I did something by mistake. Okay. Yeah. So here, you wanna go to that website I showed you for vmenu. Yeah, delete the other, the file that I told you to put in the resources for vmenu. Delete the vmenu file you put in there. Because I think I did something wrong. I'm sorry about that. That's my apologies. Scroll down on the website, click release. Scroll down again and click vmenu right here. And then drag that to your desktop. I'm actually gonna just do something real quick here. There's this, and no, not in there. Okay, good. Alright. Open your... Oh, okay, I got the wrong one there. Okay, yep. Open that vmenu folder. Oh, no. Open the config file. See how there's a permission CFG in there? That's what we want. Okay, so... Go to your resources, create a folder called vmenu, just like that. And you want to drag all these files. What do you mean? What do you frickin' mean there, bud? Come on now. Yeah, drag all these files here into vmenu. And then all these are now in your folder. What you want to do, click config, permission CFG. You want to drag this permission CFG into resources. And then go to resources and then drag permission CFG into CFX default. Now it's with your server CFG, which is what you want. That's exactly what you want. Now we're going to open the server. Well, actually, well, no, not yet. Let's actually do this. Ensure vmenu, just how you typed it for that folder. And then open your server. See right there, the vmenu started? Do not worry about this here, the permission thing. Do not worry about that. That's not a problem. I played on my server without messing with this, and it's fine. So now go to 5M. I have it on my task bar. And then go to this. It's got doesn't go into your server. now you want to click M, and that's your V menu. I'm gonna actually teleport to a department real quick. I'm gonna go to Sandy Shores. Like that. So, what you want to do now, we do not have a uniform on because I do not have uniforms for the server right now. But I will make a separate video on how to add EUP to your server. I'll make a separate video on that, but I'm gonna do cars in this server. This server has the cars tutorial because I added one car pack, so I can show you guys how to add cars to the server. But what you want to do is click M, vehicle related options, vehicle spawner down here, spawn vehicle by name. Now I might just do something real quick. I'm gonna go to my, so here, go to your resources, wherever it is. Yeah, go to your resources on your desktop, or well, go to your file explorer. Here, oh, actually, it's just here. You guys see my screen. So go to your file explorer. Go to desktop. Desktop, and then click on to this PC, local disk, FivePD server, TX data, CFX default, resources. And then click cars, and 13 FPIU. You can spawn any of these. I mean, if you did the same pack as me, if you did that same thing. So then type in 13 FPIU. Wait, hang on, what? How did you not... Oh no, that's my bad. So like, if you actually want to, spawn a vehicle, you want to click on the name of it, go to stream, and the name is right here, 13EXP. So then type in 13EXP. I'm not gonna read. Well, I can turn off the radio, I think. Hang on. There we go. Radio off. Here is the vehicle right here. This is the vehicle that you installed into your server. If you did the same pack for the server, here's the vehicle that is in the server here. Nope. Come on, radio. No. So there is a thing that you have to get for, well, you don't have to, but it's actually very good for your server. It's called LuxArt Vehicle Control. And it, the keybind is Q. The keybind is Q for your server for the lights. So, but right now I do not have that in the server. So your keybind for the lights is E. Here's the lights for the car, and the siren is, I believe it would be, well, we do not have it right now, LuxArt. So, but since oh, sorry, I hit my mic, but we're actually gonna get out of the server for now. We're gonna disconnect out of the server, and close out of the file. I'm gonna show you guys how to get LuxArt Vehicle Control, so you guys can have your lights and sirens working for your server. So I'm gonna open up a new browser here, and then search LuxArt, or search Lux, and then click this here, this LuxArt Vehicle, or yeah, search LuxArt Vehicle Control, and it would be the first link, and it's on GitHub. You scroll down here, and then you click onto this right here. Click this one. Put that into your desktop. Open this up. Open up your resources folder. What you want to do is drag this LVC folder into your resources. And then go to dependencies. and then drag Rage UI into resources. Close out of here, close out of your resources. I'm gonna drag this into this. Go to your CFG file, and then do ensure Rage UI, just like it's typed on the file. Ensure LVC, just like that. But then there's actually one thing you need to do for the LuxArt. You need to go to LVC, that file. Well, go to your resources, LVC, and then settings.lua. Edit it with Notepad++ or Notepad. Your community ID. Type in between these two little dots here. Do you see these two little dots here? Type in between those, just where that is there. Just type what I'm gonna do. But here, type your username, or type whatever username you want to type. So I'm gonna do my username, of course. Trials. I'm gonna just do like Trials YT. That's my username. And then click File, Save, close out of that, close out of this. So if you guys have a Stream Deck, I'm gonna show you guys how to add your server to Stream Deck so you can open it with your Stream Deck. So you want to open up your Stream Deck software. If you have a Stream Deck, you want to delete the old one, because I actually have an old server that I used to have here. I'm going to delete my old server off there. What you want to do is just drag this into this, and then you see how it says copy? Drop that into there. And then exit out the name of it. And now, if you close out a Stream Deck, press that button on your Stream Deck, your server will open. Your server will exactly open. But I actually did something wrong there again. I'm sorry, because I accidentally had the server open when I was adding those mods, but I'm going to restart the server and actually reopen it. So press the button on your Stream Deck. If you have a Stream Deck, press the button that you added to it, and then the server will start up. Just like that. It's very simple. Just do that. If you have a Stream Deck, then it makes it way easier to open. There's FivePD, there's vMenu, and there's LuxArt right there. Now I'm gonna show you LuxArt. Open your 5M. Click this. And load into your server. Click F11. I'm gonna go to a station. I'm gonna go to Sandy Shores. You don't have to, but I'm gonna go to this one. I like this station. This station is my favorite. You want to spawn a vehicle. It can be anything, really. It can be any vehicle. I'm gonna do the one that I got in here. 13 EXP. 13 Explorer. See how I press Q? Yeah, press Q, and then your lights will pop up, and then press Alt, and your sirens will work. Just like that. Okay, folks, I'm going to end off my video here. If you liked it, drop a like, subscribe, have a wonderful day. And that is how you create a FivePD server. Have a great day. Stay safe. Drop a like, subscribe, click the bell to never miss a brand new video. Check out my socials linked below. Have a great day. Stay safe. Peace.